you doing? What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck was that person doing? They're all looking at me. Little gas for the speed bump. I don't know why they put jumps in the middle of the roads, middle of the streets. Like, I always give it gas, but never catch a lot of air. Ladies and gents, hello. Welcome to another vlog. It is Wednesday. It's Wednesday afternoon. It's about 2 o'clock. I'm chilling. I had to work from home today. Took care of a lot of shit. And now I decided to go for a little cruise. Visit my buddy and get up one of the most delicious chicken sandwiches ever. Out in the sunny side. This fried chicken sandwich. It's pretty damn good. And I'm wearing my regular gloves, which might have been a little bit of a mistake, just because it's actually chillier than I thought. I thought it was all fucking beautiful, but it's not. It's a little bit chilly. And look at this little taxi cab cruising like 1 mile per hour. What are you? This guy fucking sucks. This guy sucks at driving. He's not like very much into driving. He's kind of like a casual fan. And that was Paw right there. And I really don't want to talk to them. So I hope this van here pulls out. Come on, baby. You gonna go? Oh boy. Holy shit. What a piece of shit. And it stinks too. I'm gonna get ahead of everybody. I don't think it's going to be too big of a terrible problem, but who knows? Who knows? So far it's been an adventurous little ride. Just can't seem to keep it together. I'm out of control. Nothing serious is going on. Might as well relax a little bit on the old bike. That's the mission every single time. I always say it. Calm down, relax. Look, for the rest of the ride, I'm gonna show you exactly how to ride. So from here, you switch to the nearer lane to the left, and you pull up to the cars, giving them plenty of distance. You know, this car in front of me is gonna go really slow. How do I know? Because he didn't even pull up to the. Could even pull up to the light. Could even pull up to the lane. So I'm pretty sure he's gonna be a slower gentleman. That was a legal maneuver. A legal maneuver. And look at that fucking gravel right there. Holy cow, that is dangerous. That whole turn is lined with gravel. Imagine being here at night and not knowing. Oh, then we got a bunch of trash over there. Nice. Good stuff. Good stuff. You gonna go there, fucking champ? Now I make a decision. Do I become a savage, or do I stay a good little boy? Which one is it gonna be? Which one is it gonna be? I'm gonna try to be a good little boy. You know, look at this merging. I can get in front of you there, bud. That van is showing me how it's done, which is okay. It's totally understandable. If I was that minivan, I would and got passed by me so flamboyantly, I would show them how it's done. And now we're on our way to Queens. Beautiful, beautiful Queens. And these are not touch sensitive gloves, so yep. I don't understand why notifications pop up and then don't disappear. Like, how is that useful? Weird. And here's another blend-in scenario. It's kind of funny to ride like this because I can totally pass everybody like 8 million times, but it's something very trippy about doing it by the law. Like, you're like a little car. Doesn't seem safe. Like, for me to be behaving like a car doesn't seem safe because I don't take up that much space. All good. No rush. We're chilling. I can pass everybody. That's good to know. It's like a good back in the head kind of feeling that you can pass every single person. So keeping a little bit of distance, chilling, relaxing. What are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck was that person doing? They're all looking at me. Fucking dumbass. Did you see him? That's fucking that was hilarious. He was like pulling into the bike lane like I'm not even there. See, if you drive along with other people, you have to deal with shit like that. Normally I would have passed him like 8 times already, and he wouldn't have gotten a chance to do that. Dumb ass. Nice little turn. Ooh, perfect place for an 18-wheeler to stop. Beautiful, good job. I would take off to the right. Maybe give it a little brap if we can. A little brap. Yeah, it's definitely still a little bit chilly. It is definitely not like a warm situation. Plus I haven't had food, which is a little bit insane. It's a little bit crazy. Because I should have had food by now. It's like 2 o'clock. So I had coffee but no food. Interesting. Interesting twist of events. I like it. Go ahead, sir. Don't speed up. Whatever you do, don't speed up. Come on, baby, let's go. Green light, please. And there's a popo, so we're just chilling. We're just relaxing. Definitely don't need no trouble. No trouble from Papa. Nice. Nice straight shot here. No traffic. I do enjoy that. Beautiful. I feel like because I haven't been riding with I've been riding with heated gloves, like I'm spoiled. Because normally I'd be riding like this, like nothing. And today it's like 40 some degrees and I'm bitching about my hands being cold. I guess it's something new to bitch about. Haven't bitched about that in a minute. Might as well mention it again. It's a good topic. Great topic. Let's go, baby. can't you? No. God damn it, these fucking people. I don't have any problems with any of them, but you could go the speed limit. If everybody goes the speed limit, then there would be none of this. We would all made the light, you know. Well, people just don't want to. They don't want to do the speed limit, which is okay. Not too upsetting, I guess. Gonna go to the left here. Just like so. You're fine, lady. You're totally cool. Not a problem at all. Nice and easy, nice and chill. Take this little left here, just like so. Ooh, this bike feels good. Runs well. Little gas for the speed bump. I don't know why they put jumps in the middle of the roads, middle of the streets. Like, I always give it gas, but never catch a lot of air. You know, it's like I almost feel like I should slow down for those. It's like, obviously they're shitty jumps. What's the point? You know, is my bike idling too high? 1200, 1250. It's not bad. You're cool, dude. No stress. You're all good. Ooh, natural light. Got some beers. My man got beers. That's dope. I believe we are here. Yep, I believe we are here. It's a little chilly. My chicken sandwich spot is right over there. I don't even know the name of it, but it's on the next block. So I'm gonna visit my buddy, and him and I are gonna go get some food. So unfortunately, I'm not gonna show it to you because it's secret. Secret chicken sandwiches, but trust me, they're fucking good. You're just gonna have to take my word for it, bros and sisses. Bros and sisses. You're gonna have to take my word for it. Bros and sisses. Should probably go like this. Why not? Yep, that's a good move. That's a good move. Oops. Jesus Christ. Almost hit that lady there. But not quite. Alright. This is it. I'll talk to you guys soon, okay? Gotta take care of some shit.